Sweet potatoes are smooth and sufficiently sweet to be made into flavorful holiday pies, yet they are likewise shockingly solid and nutritious. Notwithstanding this, new research proposes that even the cooking water from sweet potatoes may help with absorption and weight reduction. Sweet potatoes are an astoundingly nutritious vegetable. High in carotenoids, sweet potatoes are an extraordinary source of vitamin A, which is awesome for healthy eyes, has cell reinforcement and hostile to maturing properties, and has likewise been connected to preventing cancer. Moreover, sweet potatoes are rich in an extensive variety of B vitamins, including B1, or thiamine, B2 and B3, riboflavin and niacin, separately, and B5 and B6. As indicated by the National Institutes of Health, B vitamins help our body procedure sustenance into vitality, and in addition frame red blood cells. New research, distributed in the diary Helion, proposes the dull water left over from cooking sweet potatoes may have thinning impacts and help digestion. A group of analysts, drove by Dr. Koji Ishiguro from the National Agriculture and Food Research Organization in Japan, was searching for approaches to reuse the wastewater coming about because of handling sweet potatoes on an industrial scale. In that capacity, they considered testing its nutritional value and dietary impacts. Environmental impact of sweet potato industrial use. As indicated by the International Potato Center, sweet potatoes are one of the world's most imperative food crops, with 105 million metric tons of the vegetable being created each year around the globe, and 95% of the yields being developed in creating nations. Sweet potatoes are exceptionally reasonable for preparing because of their high starch content. Sweet potato is as of now used to create flour, noodles, bread, confection, pectin, mixes, and other starch and starch-based mechanical items. In Japan, around 15% of sweet potato is used to deliver starch-derived items, and in addition processed foods and distilled spirits. The outcome is a lot of wastewater that contains natural buildup and is generally disposed of in streams and seas. This could bring about genuine natural issues. Since the wastewater likewise contains proteins, Dr. Ishiguro and group chose to research its impacts on digestion in mice. We throw out huge volumes of wastewater that contains sweet potato proteins. We hypothesize that these could affect body weight, fat tissue, and other factors. Finding alternative uses for the sweet potato proteins in wastewater could be good for the environment and industry, and also potentially for health, says Dr. Koji Ishiguro. Protein found in sweet potato water has slimming effects in mice. Specialists fed 3 gatherings of mice high-fat diets. One of the gatherings was given the sweet potato peptide protein, SPP, in a high focus, and another gathering in a low fixation. Following 28 days, analysts measured the mice and took a progression of estimations. They inspected their liver mass and measured their greasy tissue, fat cholesterol levels, and triglyceride levels. Researchers additionally measured the levels of leptin and adiponectin, which direct the body's digestion system and play a key role in obesity and metabolic syndrome. Mice that were fed higher amounts of SPP had significantly lower body weight and liver mass. These mice additionally had lower cholesterol levels and triglycerides, and additionally more elevated amounts of the metabolic hormones leptin and adiponectin. The discoveries propose that SPP suppresses the craving and controls lipid digestion system in mice. Additionally, research is expected to check whether similar impacts apply to people, yet Dr. Ishiguro says the outcomes are extremely encouraging. We were surprised that SPP reduced the levels of fat molecules in the mice and that it appears to be involved controlling appetite suppression molecules. These results are very promising, providing new options for using this wastewater instead of discarding it. We hope SPP is used for the functional food material in future. Dr. Koji Ishiguro. If you think this information could help someone else, share it on your social media.